Hello, parents. Good evening, everybody. It's such a delight to see you all once again. And I request you all to please raise up because we will invite our chief guest. He's a naval officer. Life is incomplete without sports. It's a time to refresh our time. So play as much as you can and as much as you wish, said by a famous sportsmanship. A very lovely evening, dear parents, grandparents, our chief guest, Commodore B. Balasundaram, sir, our guest of honor, Mr. S. Sam Devanesan, and our very own Edzonite crew. We at Edzine always feel splendid to have the Edzine family with us for an event. And one such event is our sports day today. As we are all aware how much our little mopeds love playing and anything to do with jumping, running, stretching, and whatnot. Sports Day is one such event where they prep themselves up with so much zeal and positive vibe which has radiated to us. And today, we believe this vibe is also bestowed on all of us over here. Dear parents, as we always say in Edzine, cherish the evening with the beauty of the performance and do not be judgmental, as champions might be winners. But here in Edzine, we believe all partakers are champions. So let's enjoy our champions. Beginning this evening with the blessings of the Almighty, prayer by Reverend Pastor Sam Singh.
சர்வ வல்லமையுள்ள பிதாவே, அன்பின் ஆண்டவரே, உம்மை நாங்கள் நன்றியோடு துதிக்கிறோம், உம்மை ஸ்தோத்தரிக்கிறோம். உம்முடைய திரு பிரசன்னத்தை நாங்கள் இந்த மாலை நேரத்தில் எங்கள் மத்தியில் நாங்கள் வரவேற்கிறோம், வாஞ்சிக்கிறோம். இந்த இடத்திலே கூடி வந்திருக்கிற அருமையான இந்த எட்ஸைன் ஃபேமிலிக்காக நாங்கள் ஜெபிக்கிறோம். பிள்ளைகள், அவருடைய பெற்றோர், ஆண்டவரே, தாத்தா பாட்டி மற்றும் உறவினர்கள் எல்லாருக்காக நாங்கள் உமக்கு நன்றி செலுத்துகிறோம். இந்த மகிழ்ச்சியான நாளில் ஆண்டவர் எங்களுக்கு தந்திருக்கிற இந்த எட்சாம்ஸ் 2025க்காக நாங்கள் உமக்கு மகிமை செலுத்துகிறோம். சர்வ வல்லமையுள்ள தேவன், எங்கள் நடுவே உம்முடைய பிரசன்னத்தை தந்து இந்த நிகழ்வை முழுவதும் ஆசீர்வதித்து நடத்தும்படி உம்மை நாங்கள் மன்றாடி வேண்டுகிறோம். ஆண்டவரே, உம்முடைய பிரசன்னம் தாரும், எங்களை ஆளுகை செய்து நடத்தும். ஆண்டவருடைய ஆளுகைக்கு முற்றிலுமாக எங்களை ஒப்புக் கொடுக்கிறோம். இந்த இடத்துல நடக்கிற ஒவ்வொரு நிகழ்வும் ஆசீர்வாதமானதாக இருக்கட்டும். வந்திருக்கிற எல்லாருடைய உள்ளத்தையும் சந்தோஷிப்பிக்கட்டும். ஆண்டவருடைய ஆளுகை இந்த இடத்துல இருக்கட்டும். பிள்ளைகளை கர்த்தர் பாதுகாத்து கொள்ளும். உம்முடைய பிரசன்னம் எங்களோடு இருக்க, எங்களை ஆட்கொண்டு நடத்த எங்களை தாழ்த்தி ஒப்புக் கொடுக்கிறோம். உம்முடைய பரிசுத்த நாமத்தினாலே இந்த 2025 எட்சாம்ஸ் இந்த ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் டே ஈவென்ட்டை நாங்கள் ஆரம்பித்து உம்முடைய நாமத்தின் மகிமைக்காய் ஆண்டவரே இதை பிரதிஷ்டை செய்கிறோம். உம்முடைய நாம மகிமைப்படட்டும். இயேசுவின் நாமத்தில் பிதாவே, ஆமென்.
Let's tune in to hear our children enumerate the school anthem.
floating, every smiling place. Each child a champion with a unique pace. In the sky we're floating, every smiling place.
It's our life, we laugh and we play in our honeycomb each and every day.
Welcome speech, introductory address by Ms. Radhika.
A very good evening to one and all present here. It's an absolute pleasure to stand before you today on this exciting occasion of our annual Sports Day at CHAMS 2025. Our warm welcome to our chief guest who has graciously accepted our invitation and is among us to celebrate our Sports Day. Our chief guest, Commodore B. Balasubramanian, Head of Center for Indigenization and Self-Reliance, Indian Navy, a marine engineer by profession. He has served in the Indian Navy's premier dockyards at Mumbai and Visakhapatnam. He has contributed significantly to training the next generation of naval engineers at Lonavala and served in the nation-building program of Kaveri Marine Gas Turbine at Gas Turbine Research Establishment, Bangalore. With his vast experience and apt aptitude, Sir has been picked to establish and head the Unit Center for Indigenization and Self-Reliance. He is passionately pursuing the indigenization and development of marine equipment in line with the nation's effort towards Atmanirbhar Bharat. We welcome you, sir. We are delighted to welcome Reverend Pastor Sam Singh, who has been a guiding light of our school. We are grateful for your presence and blessings on this day, sir. We also extend a warm welcome to our guest of honor, Mr. Sam Devanesan, a distinguished media and public relations professional with over 40 years of experience. He is the founder of Sam Media and Events, a press reporter for India Today, a pro for the Minority Commission. He has previously served as a regional manager of Jesus Calls International Ministries and has received numerous accolades from esteemed government officials, including late Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Kalaignar Karunanidhi, and ex-DGP Shailendra Babu, among many others. We welcome you, sir. A special mention to Sam Media and Events, the team that has always stood by at Zion in all our events, ensuring they are nothing short of spectacular. Your unwavering support and dedication mean the world to us, and we are grateful to have you as a part of our journey. Our school correspondent, Mr. Joe Anthony, who is the backbone of our school and has a clear and inspiring vision, always seeking new and innovative ways to improve school's curriculum and program. We welcome you, sir. Our academic director, Mrs. Gina Joe, who is an invaluable member of the team and has been guiding us with her unique knowledge, skills, and values. We welcome you, ma'am. We extend our warmest welcome to our parents who play an essential role in supporting our students. Your constant encouragement and awareness play a huge role in shaping these young athletes. We welcome our stars in the evening who are sprinting around with fun and energy. Remember, it's not about winning, it's about giving your best and celebrating the spirit of sportsmanship. A heartfelt welcome to our dedicated facilitators who not only shape young minds in the classroom but also motivate and inspire to excel beyond it. We welcome you, teachers. And last but certainly not least, we extend our sincere gratitude to our non-teaching staff, whose tireless efforts behind the scenes have been indispensable in making this event a success. With that, I extend a warm welcome once again to all gathered here. Let's dive into an evening filled with energy, determination, and sportsmanship. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Radhika, for your warm welcome. It's time to honor. Our correspondent, Mr. Joe Anthony Remigius, will honor our chief guest, Commodore B. Balasundaram, sir, with the memento as a token of appreciation for his distinguished presence today. Sir, please.
We are the Edsing Einets, hear us shout, jumping, running, all about. Every child's a winner, join the fun. Every effort's a victory, everyone. Edgeham's, we're here to play.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Joe Anthony will honor our guest of honor, Mr. S. Sam Devanesan.
We're the stars,
Sir, please.
the Edsing taste. With big bright smiles we lead the way, cheering loud on this great day. Hand in hand we'll shine so bright.
Mr. Joe Anthony will honor our dignitary, the advising director, Mr. Sam Singh, with a memento.
Rock the field, it's our big day. Every child's a winner, shining bright. We're the stars, the Edsing Knights.
Now, it is the lightening of the torch ceremony. We invite upon Commodore B. Balasundaram, sir, to felicitate the lightening ceremony. Sir, please. Commodore B. Balasundaram, sir, is handing over the torch of flames to Ara, the fiery leader of Team Amaryllis. Ara will start walking around. Ara will start walking around. Yes, she started it off and she will be passing it on to Nakshatra, the serene leader of Begonia. Nakshatra, take over the torch, ma. Yes. Yes, Nakshatra, the serene leader of Begonia, is on her way, and she will be handing over the torch to Hannah. Hannah, the cheerful leader of Gladiolus, is running enthusiastically, and she is passing on the torch to Magalini, the amiable leader of the team Lavolia. And finally, all the leaders are together, and Magalini is handing over the torch of flame to our correspondent, Mr. Joe Anthony. And let's give a big applause for this moment as the correspondent is placing the cauldron of peace. And let's always pray for peace and goodwill among us and the world. The lighting of the cauldron symbolizes unity in our celebration. So let us all dedicate this day to our children, the bright sunshiners of the future, and make today a remarkable day. Applause please, parents. Thank you, sir. Thank you. And now, our Commodore B. Balasundaram, sir, will declare the opening of the Sports Day.
Good evening, all of you. Hereby, I declare this Sports Day open with the flying colors and spectacular events.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your colorful wishes, sir. So please be seated, sir. Children are as beautiful and refreshing as flowers. Therefore, our kids are named after some of the most exotic flower names. And let us see what they are while they begin.
Studies! Attention! Studies! Attention! Amaryllis, march!
Now we have the first team marching in, Amaryllis, representing the color red, which stands for strength, beauty, love, courage, and are determinant as the children are. Let's enjoy the walk.
Begonia, march!
Begonia, marching in green, bringing good luck in the form of new beginnings and growth, with perfection, calm, cool, and very analytical. They are always refreshing. They are marching as cool as they are.
Gladiolus, march!
Here comes Gladiolus, the color yellow, emitting rays of gold like the sun, and always cheerful with excitement, enthusiasm, and they radiate positivity wherever they are.
Lobelia, march!
Yes, finally we have the lobelia, the color blue, representing stability and reliability. Children are children as they are. Gonna comfort. They are children, so they have their own minds and they have marched their best. This is one of a kind march which we will never get to watch. Please do give a big applause for our children because they have made it to the center point. Thank you. Lovely march, children. Very lovely. A wondrous march by our kiddos.
March, halt!
Rain or sun, we carry the umbrella to keep us safe. But our tiny mopeds in Edzine like to hold on an umbrella on a wintry evening. Curious to know why? All right, let's see what the day would do. And let's wait a few minutes for it.
Exercise number 1. Exercise number 2. Exercise number 3. Exercise number 4. Exercise number 5. Exercise number 6.
Kudos to the Scots. What a striking performance. They dealt the umbrella drill like nobody else can do. A very big applause for them. Once again, parents. Who's entering? Yes, it is the Tiny Tots, the play group. They are going to do something very special. And it's called Funny Bunnies. And we still have our squads who are still coming in their own space. And they are coming. A bunny is making a noise. A bunny doesn't want to do something. Okay. So our bunnies are all ready now to go and collect their carrots. Yes. Yes, Ms. Ramya. Are we ready? Come on, parents. Clap, clap, clap. Begin. Yes, children. Start. Run. Come on, Richard, run.
Hip, hip, hooray! We are Tony Test leading the way.
Rijo, come on, Rijo. Go leave the carrot to your bunny. Come on, Rijo. Ramika. No, Super Noel. Vamsi, they both are doing a very great job. Targeted only on taking their carrots and feeding the bunnies.
Leading the way.
Parents, no energy from your side at all, parents. Come on. Today evening it is only your work to cheer the children. And please be seated. Kindly enjoy. Come on. Ilan, where are you taking the basket? Super, Ilan. The next team we have from playgroup Navira, Ryan, L. Hariyugan, Sai Advik, A.R. Pranish. Come children. Come on children. Navira, come on Navira.
Shine, we're the best. And jumps. Hip, hip, hooray. We are Tony Test leading the way.
Ryan, run, Ryan. Feed your bunny. Quick, run, Ryan. Very cute, Ryan. Hariyugan and Sai Advik are in their own world. They are only focusing on their targets. They are feeding the bunnies quick. Anish has finally begun. He's picking up his carrots.
Actions, hip hip hooray. We are at your best, leading the way.
Come on, Navira. Nave. Oh, little Rayan has taken his basket. The first to come. So sweet. Rayan. I know he's looking very adorable. Yes, parents. Thank you so much, parents. You can give them a big applause. That was the first game. Yes, come on, children, come on, quick. No slow as a turtle, but they can never be slow. They are quick as turtles for a change. Come on, turtles, come on. Crawl. Arham, super. Adliya, come on, Kana. Crawl. Okay, and we have Group B coming up from pre-KG. Dakshita, Niren, Dhirav, Hishe, Mrinalini and Adirai. Yes, Ramya, the turtles are ready. We'll begin. Come on, turtles, come on. Adirai, don't look at your mommy and daddy. Take your balls. Adirai. Yes, super Mrinalini. Great job, Mrinalini. Come on, Mrinalini. Pick up your balls. Very nice, Mrinalini. Super. Hishe, your ball is inside. Hishe, come on, crawl. Group here is Shravin, Tanavi, Shrishti, Venpa, Ishani and Gianna. Yes, they are ready. Okay, the turtles are crawling. No, running. Okay, they've passed. Good. Come on. Venpa. Nice. Okay, match finished. Venba, come. Venba, come to the front. Shove it. Very nice. Super. Very good. Thank you. And next, we have our playgroup coming up once again. And all are sitting in their bikes. Okay. So this game is called the Riders Target. And let us see what these riders are going to do. Yes, they're all ready. Okay. And it begins. Come on, children. Here we have Adiren, Aramika, Vamsi Krishnan, Ilan, Rijo and Noel in their own world. Noel, come on in your tracks. Come on, Noel. Pick up the ball. Noel, run, Noel. Very good. Noel has come with his first ball. Okay, Ilan, Vamsi. Rijo, run. from you. A very big clap for the children. They are rounding around their place to see what's happening. Richo. No, Richo is loving the balls. He's only playing with it. Very nice. Well done, children. So all of them have taken the. Come on, Ryan. Okay.
It's Johnny Test leading the
Advik
way.
is first. Advik is first. He's reached his place. Come on, children. Super Ryan. Super Ryan. Run, 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 Ryan. Oh, Ryan is doing a very cute job.
Let's run the shine, we're the best. HMs, hip hip hooray. We are Johnny Test leading the way.
Oh, Advik has taken his flag. Very nice, Advik. Superb. Oh, Ryan loves playing with the bike. He wants to go with the bike. Ryan, come on, Ryan. Okay. Now, parents, thank you so much, parents. That was a very beautiful bike. And now, I request parents of Navira, Ryan, Haryugan, Sai Advik, Pranish to please come and take your words. Thank you. You can take them from here. It's like as if they are having a very serious meeting and the meeting is over now. Miss Ramya, are we ready, Miss Ramya? Miss Ramya doesn't want to leave her kids. Miss Ramya, are we ready? Yes? Okay. Children, they've started. Parents, please observe what they are doing. Thank you. Come on, children. Super. Very nice. Come on, Aramika, super Aramika. Come on, pick up your color. Very nice. They are doing the sorting very beautifully. Come on, children, superb. Parents, your energy level is down and our energy level is also down. Come on, parents. Come on, Margarita. Arhem, come on, Arhem. Arush is quick, really quick. Oh, Devdarshana has completed. Super Devdarshana. Devdarshana, take your flag. Come on, Tiara. Super. Margarita has finished. Margarita. Margarita has become so enthusiastic, she's forgotten her ball. Okay, that was a performance by the children. So they picked out their colors perfectly and they've placed it on all the holders. Thank you, parents. Thank you for encouraging them so much. Thank you, children. Yes, they are ready. Okay. The team is full of josh and it begins. Come on, children, run. Come on, Dakshita. Come on, Adi. Super Adi, ready. Adi, come on, Adi. Don't look at mommy and daddy. slow motion for the video actually. Adirey, come on, run Adirey. Adirey, run. Midnani is finishing hers and Niran is already completed. Dhirav is completed and is hesitating to go back to his plate. Oh, Isha is full of josh. Isha, done? Margarita. Emmanuel, where are you? Emmanuel, come here. Go to mom. Sorry parents, the third team is going on. So you have Shravan, Tanavi, Shrishti, Venba, Ishani and Gianna doing the game. And Venba has already finished sorting her colors. She's on the flag. Ishani. Ramya ma'am, begin. Come on children, come on. Yes, Vinibhav. Okay, Devavrat is coming out. Kyle, where is Kyle? Kyle is coming out. Sai Raksha was whining now, but she's the one to run first. Come on, Sai Raksha. Very nice. Well done, Sai Raksha. Come on, Devavrat. Come on. Vinibhav, come on, Vinibhav. Fill it up. Vinibhav, fill your glass fully. So parents, this is the perspective parade. They pick up the water and they have to walk very slowly and come fill the bottle. Come on, ma. Well done. Parents, kindly hold your children. Do not let them to play. Parents, playgroup parents and pre-KG parents, kindly keep your children in your places. Requesting you all to please take care of your children. Thank you. Very good. Rishita has done her job. Well done, Rishita. Well done. She deserves a big applause. Parents, come on, parents. Devavrat is taking utmost care not to spill a drop of water and he's done his job. Very good. Well done, Devavrat. Super. And our Vinibhav is still taking his own time, but let's wait for him. Very nice, Vinibhav. Come on, Vinibhav. Beautiful. See, parents, it's very difficult. If we ask us you all to walk, you will not be able to walk. But the children do their best. Beautiful. Super, Vinibhav. Very nice, Vinibhav. Okay, Vinibhav will go for one more. Okay, done. I think this will do for Vinibhav. Thank you, Vinibhav. Okay, now we have our groupie, Bhairav Krishna Harshit. Come here, Harshit. Come here. Okay, in your lines. And we have Magalini BS, Rishika, Nihal. Come on, Bhairav! Bhairav! Come on, Bhairav! Bhairav, Bhairav! Suki, Harsha, Suki, Harsha, come on, Bhairav. Sorry. Parents, playgroup and pre-KG parents, just because your kids have finished, don't stop applauding. Please applaud the children. Come on, parents, cheer them up. Come on, come on. Bhairav! Slow, slow. Bhairav, come on, come on. Bhairav likes to walk with me, huh? Very good. Super Bhairav. Come on, Bhairav. Run, run, run. Super Bhairav. Harshu, come on, Harshu. Rishika, what happened? Okay, walk. Come on, Rishika. Rishika is excited looking at her parents. She doesn't want to walk on the beam. Bhairav, super Bhairav. Come on, Bhairav. Oh, Harshu is going to finish. Maglini, come on, Maglini. Very good, Maglini. Come on, walk, Bhairav. Walk, walk. Walk, 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 walk. You can, you can. Walk, walk. Oh, our cheerleaders are here to cheer their friends, but it looks like they are cheering their parents a lot over here. Senior KG, cheer your friends, not your parents. Agrin, super Agrin. Rishika has completed her target. Rishika, you back to your place. Thank you. Bhairav. Okay, super. Go back to your place. Thank you, Bhairav. Deekshna, Advait, Jayashree, Zayan, and Maglini SG. Okay, ready? Come on, parents. Come on, parents. Super Jayashree. Come, come, come. Okay, Deekshna, come, come, come. Come on, Jayashree. You can do it. Jayashree, super Jayashree. Deekshna, very nice. Super Deekshna. Very nice. Wonderful. Maglini, run back, Maglini. Super Maglini. Jayashree, you don't have to walk. Zayan is full of ento. He's just running around. Zayan, come on, Zayan. Jayashree. Okay. Super. Okay, they are almost full. All the bottles are almost full. Very nice. Deekshna, come on, Deekshna, run. Jayashree, you don't have to run. You don't have to walk the beam. Jayashree loves walking the beam. She doesn't want to run. Zayan, close the bottle. Thank you, Kanna. Advait, close the bottle. Deekshna, close the bottle. Close. Jayashree, super. Back. Well done, children. Very good job. That was a wonderful effort. made by all the children, and it really deserves a big kudos. Parents, give your best actually. Come on, children. Ethan, wonderful. Come on, Rian. Quick, quick. So they are stacking the plates over here. They are balancing it. It's an equilibrium game for them. Rio, it's okay. Do it very calm, Rio. Okay, they are already here. 3 of them. Come on. Okay, Nakshita is already here. Come on, children. Come on, take your stars now. Okay, jump up high. Yeah, jump. Go take your star. Rio. You just can't get this star, children. See, Nakshitra has already got her star. Come on, jump for it. Wonderful. Super Priya. Ethan has also got his star. Very nice. Oh, little Rio is on the way. Rio, come on, Rio. And Ishan. Very nice. Super Rio. Ishan, super. Very nice. Rio, okay, they got their stars. Children, you can take your stars. Go back to your place. Thank you so much for your efforts. Parents, a big applause from your side. Thank you. Come on, senior KG. Okay, here comes our favorite little children. They are quick, very quick. Oh. Hannah, it's okay. Children, do it slowly. Don't get stressed out. Super Hannah. Hannah, stretch out your hand. Yes, Hannah. Very good, Hannah. Hannah can get her star now. And Maglini is here. Come on, Maglini. Slowly, Maglini. It's okay. And Maglini is for her star over here. Okay, she's got it. Thank you, children. You can go back to your places. Thank you, parents. Thank you for your applause. How many seconds make a minute? No thinking. 60 seconds. How many minutes make an hour?
Giving our best.
Okay, how many days are in a week? Okay. How many hours there in a day? Okay, very good. Days in a month? 28 to 31. Very good, sir. Okay. And months in a year? 12. Okay. And leap year? How many days? 3. This is very simple questions just to trigger your nostalgic feelings, huh? Nothing else. Thank you so much. Do you want some more questions? Colors in a rainbow? Okay, can you name it? Vibgyor. No, this is not the answer. You all have to give me the proper answer. Come on. Gokul, you want to give me the answer, Gokul? Yes, parents, come on. Okay, parents, we always say Vibgyor, but it is actually the reverse. It comes as red, orange, yellow, and it goes like that. Okay, parents? Yes, thank you so much. Auntie, uncle, எப்படி இருக்கு ஈவினிங்? நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? என்ஜாய் பண்ணீங்களா? உங்க பேரன் பேத்தி பண்றது பாத்தீங்களா? சூப்பர் சூப்பர் என்ஜாய் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you so much.
It's our big day, running, jumping, having fun.
Come on,
Together
parents,
we
come on,
shine,
children. Are they
everyone.
ready?
We are at Sioni 8.
Come on, come on.
Bold and strong, cheering loud.
Super
We
Sai
sing
Raksha.
this song.
Vinabha, you can
Hearts
come
so
slowly,
brave,
Kanna.
spirits
Slowly,
high.
slowly,
Sioni
children,
takes
slowly,
will touch
slowly.
the sky. Tiny feet, but dreams so tall.
Rishita, you can
Giving
go
our
slowly,
best,
Kanna.
we give it all.
And Kayal, Kayal,
Faster,
slowly,
stronger,
slowly,
we
slowly.
will
Go,
go.
go, go, go.
With every
Ah,
step we
awesome.
learn and grow. We
Sai Kisha's doing well.
Days,
Super.
bold
See, the
and
kangaroos
strong,
have hopped
cheering
and they've reached
loud,
their
we
target.
sing this
Simply
song.
superb.
Hearts
Thank
so
you, children.
brave,
Thank you so much.
spirits
Rishita,
high.
it's okay,
Sioni
Kanna,
will
it's
touch
okay.
the sky.
Thank you. Come on, shake, wiggle out of your kangaroo bags. Come on, super, Sai Raksha. Come on, get up, go, go back. Sai Raksha being here, right?
IONITES.
Okay, come.
At Sioni Days shine, we're the best. And jumps, hip hip hooray.
Okay, and second, we have Bhairav Krishna, Harshin, Maglini BS, Rishika, Nihan. Parents, once they reach the target, you can come and collect your awards. We will send them over here or you can wait in the corner. Thank you. Yes, they are ready. Come on, Bhairav, jump for it. Come on,
Wake
Bhairav.
up,
Come on,
rise
parents.
up, it's time
Bhairav,
to
come on,
play.
Bhairav, jump.
And
Maglini,
Shams is
Maglini.
here, it's our big day.
come
Running,
on,
jumping,
Nihan. Nihan is
having
jumping.
fun. Together we shine,
Parents,
everyone.
no
We
energy.
are at
Your energy is drained. Uncle, come on, uncle.
Cheering loud, we sing this
Super,
song.
super, Maglini.
Hearts so brave, spirits high. And Sioni takes will touch the sky. Tiny feet, but dreams so tall. Giving our best,
Super.
we give it
Okay,
all.
our kangaroos are there and they will give you a
Faster,
twist
stronger,
over
we
there.
will go.
Okay, here come our kangaroos. Come on, children. Parents, I know you are also becoming tired, but we would like to clap some more. Thank you. Come on, children. Advait. Okay, super Advait. Kayal. Dikshna. Yes, Dikshna's. Maglini, come on, Maglini. Okay, Maglini's taken her balls. And the first kangaroo is here. Maglini, twist and come out. Twist, how do you twist? Twist. Ah, look at her jiggling. Very nice. Okay.
Wake up, rise up, it's time to
Parents, you can
play.
come and take your
And
children.
Shams
Thank
is
you.
here, it's our big
You all must think why it's called a jungle scurry. Because they are going to do something similar to it. Are we ready?
heart so brave, spirits high. And Sioni takes will touch the
Come on, children. Rio, it's okay. You can crawl on all fours. Come on, Rio. Come on, Rio. Okay, frog jump. Children, no cheating. Super Rio is exactly doing like a frog. Simply superb, Rio. Okay, Rio, now you can walk. Very nice. This is the duck walk and they are walking exactly like a duck. Very beautiful ducks. Superb, children. Parents, you can pick up your children over there. Priya's mother, please pick up Priya. Riyan, you can go to your parents. Super Rio, Ishan, Nakshitra. Okay, children, you can go to your parents. Thank you. Oh, sweet Rio, you can go to your mom and dad. Ready, children? Okay. Okay, they are coming out. Parents, please do not leave your children inside the ground. Tina. Let's give one big kudos and applause for our
all of you. It's indeed a pleasure to be here in this bundle of joy here with the preschool and people up to KGs. Mr. Joe Anthony, correspondent, and the school management, Reverend Sam Singh and Mrs. Shobha Sam. They are unable to be here. They just left for some urgent reasons. The advisory committee, Mr. Sam Devanesan, teachers, parents, grandparents, guests, alumni of Edzion, and the lovely children. Very, very good evening to all of you. It's indeed a pleasure to be here in front of you and the honor to be here in front of you, and that has been offered by the management of Edzion. I would like to thank the school management for inviting me for this wonderful annual sports day event, that is Ed Champs. A wonderful evening. It's really an honor for all of us. I must compliment all the children who have took part in this torch ceremony, a march past, as well as the mass drill. My special compliments, my special compliments to all the children who took part in this various games activity. I'm amazed to see the bundle of energy, the sense of pride, the sense of participation, and the positive attitude shown by all these lovely children. It's really very heartening to me and to all of us to see these young children doing all this with so much of energy and enthusiasm. All of you are the great winners. There is no losers here. All of you are the winners. Congrats to all of you, all lovely kids. Indeed, today being the sports day of this school, and I being a military person here in front of you, would definitely like to say that for the school like Edzion, with just 4 years in the making, and the second sports day here, the way in which it has been conducted by each and every one of you is marvelous. The bundle of energy is not only there with the kids, it's there with the complete management and all the people, lovely people you conducted there with so much of josh and enthusiasm. My compliments to Team Edzion for giving these children all these facilities and nurturing them in this right direction. The children and all the parents here are very lucky. I'm repeating this one. You people are very lucky that the school is doing all this to make them an all-rounder personality in their future life. I would urge children to take up sports, as it is not only required for your fitness and well-being, but excellence in sports itself, it has many positive avenues in this country now. I would appeal to the parents to give chances to the children, as many opportunities are available in our country. Today, there are a scheme called Khelo India, Fit India movement, that the government is encouraging and participating in all earnest. I don't know how many of you are aware, in Khelo India scheme, Government of India gives almost a scholarship of 5 lakhs for 8 years for the deserving and the superlative sports person in the schools itself. And I can see some of you could very much make to this in near future. I could see the bundle of energies in front of us. Yes, surely they can cut a mark in the future. Me being from the military, Indian Navy, I urge all of you, including the parents and the guests, to explore the avenues available both in the military as well as in the sports arena. A playing of sports comes naturally to the children, and many a times, many of us sitting here as parents could have the regret that my father didn't allow me to do this one. He didn't give me a chance. I wish I got the opportunity when I was there. I could have been doing so and so and all other things. Yes, the fantastic school that is Edzion is offering that one, boosting you and molding your children in this sports. You should encourage your kids to participate in full earnest. I'm sure the school, the management and all the kids here will come out with flying colors in the days to come. My hearty wishes also due for the school to grow into a primary school, then into a sky school in the near future. My best wishes and compliments to everybody here, especially the young children who took part in all the activities with full josh and enthusiasm in all earnest. Wish you all a great evening and a great day to come. Thank you and Jai Hind.
We request our chief guest, Commodore B. Balasundaram sir, to kindly distribute the prizes for our little squads. Thank you, sir. Parents, we will call you according to the group. Please come up with your children and take your medals, and please do not leave as we have games for you, and the games are really interesting. So we request you to please stay for the games. And now play group comes first. Play group parents. Parents, please do not come out. We will call you accordingly. Play group Adityan, Aramika, Maxi Krishnan, Ilan, Rijo Acton Roy, Noel, Navira, Ryan, Hari, Sai Advik and A.R. Pranish. We request the pre-KG parents, Arham, Arush, Margarita, Devadarshna, Adlaya, Emmanuel and Dirav, both of them. Parents, please come this way to receive your medals for the children. Adlaya, come with your mommy. Come. I repeat, Arham, Arush, Margarita, Devadarshna, Adlaya, Emmanuel, Diara. The next group of parents of Dakshita, Nitin, Dirav, Hishe, Mrinalini and Adirai. Parents, I repeat, parents of Dakshita, Niren, Dirav, Hishe, Mrinalini, Adirai to please come. Parents, pre-KG parents of Shravan, Tanavi, Shrishti, Venpa, Ishani and Gianna. I repeat, parents of Shravan, Tanavi, Shrishti, Venpa, Ishani, Gianna.
Rise up, it's time to play.
Kindly collect the medals for the children, parents. Thank you. Parents, please collect the medals and do not leave. Please come back to your places. Thank you. The junior KG parents, please walk out according to call. Devarath, Kayal, Rishita, Vinabha, Sai Raksha. We request parents of Devavrat, Kayal, Rishita, Vinabha, Sai Raksha to come out please. We request parents of Bhairav Krishna, Harshin, Maglini PS, Rishika, Nihan. We request the junior KG parents, Bhairav Krishna's parents, Harshin, Maglini PS, Rishika, Nihan. We now request junior KG parents of Deekshna, Advait, Jayashri, Zayan and Maglini SG. Parents of Deekshna, Advait, Jayashri, Zayan and Maglini SG, we request you to please collect your medals. Parents, it's a privilege to collect from our Commodore B. Balasundaram sir. So please do collect your medals and stay back for your games. Thank you. Parents, please call back your children from the ground. I want Bhairav, Harshin, Nigan, please go back to your parents. Deekshna, Kayal, Harshin, we are going to take you. Harshin, we are going to take you. Parents, please do not leave. Parents, please be seated. We have games for you. And now, parents, after your photo sessions, please be seated. Do not leave. Thank you. Shrishti, you're so naughty with your daddy account. Yes? Mrinalini? So naughty tonight, Mrinalini. request the senior KG parents. I request parents of Priya, Rio, Ethan, Nakshatra, Ishan, Riyan to please come up on the stage to collect the medals. Parents of Priya, parents of Rio, Ethan, Nakshatra, Ishan, Riyan. Parents, please do not leave. We are requesting you to stay back because we have games organized for you. Parents, please stay. And senior KG parents, parents of Maglini, Hannah, Angelina, Maglini and Agran, Ada, please do come up. Thank you. Please do collect your medals. Parents, please do come up. Thank you. Senior KG parents, I repeat, Maglini, Hannah, Maglini and Agran, Ara, to please come and collect your medals. Thank you. Parents, now please be seated. Please take your children with you. Children, Ishan, please go with your mummy. Ishan, please go with your mummy. Devadarshana, go back to your daddy. Junior KG, no fighting. Junior KG, no fighting. No fighting. Please, thank you. Places. Nirin, no fighting. Go back to your places. Miriam, Emmanuel, no, that's wrong. Emmanuel, that's wrong. Go back to your parents. Emmanuel, I'm going to take back you to school. Parents, please assemble. We have some information to give for you. Sir, can you please put off the music? Sam, sir. Thank you. Parents, instructions. Parents, kind attention. We have instructions. Now, we have our teachers who will be coming with a bowl and there are chits inside it. Please pick up the chit and whatever you get in it, please keep. We will call you according to the numbers or the alphabets in it and you will be coming up to the ground. Parents, please be seated and please wait for us patiently. We appreciate your patience. Thank you for your help. Thank you. Parents in the photo session can please go back to your seat and take the chits which will be given for the games. Parents, please take your awards. Ethan, off to your place, please. Thank you, Ethan. Ishe, I'm taking you. Come. Go back to your mummy. Go, run. Mothers, we request the mothers to please come over here without difficulty and pick up the chits. Please, we request only the mothers. We request only the mothers to come and take your chits. Over here, please. Thank you. Mothers over there. Children, please do not run in the ground. Ishe, you're very naughty for the evening, Ishe. I'm taking you back to class. Sit with your mommy and daddy. Otherwise, I'm taking you. Ma'am, I'll take him with me, okay, ma'am? Yes, I'm taking him. Ishe. Hi, Ara. You got it. Mothers, I repeat myself once again. Mothers, our teacher Ramya is over here. Please collect your slip for the game. Mothers, please collect your slip for the game. Thank you. I enthusiasm we have. Yes. Mothers, whatever alphabets you've got, please keep it with yourself. We will call you accordingly, and you all can come to the ground according to the alphabet called. Yes, thank you. Parents, mothers who have taken can go back to your place. Thank you. Thank you so much. Mothers who are still receiving the award, slip for the game. Mothers, please pick up the slip as you come for the game. Mothers, please pick up the slip for the game. Few more mothers are left. We will begin the game once the mothers are all over here. Thank you. Ishe, mommy. Thank you so much. Children, now if you don't go from the ground, I'm going to put you all in a Zion school. Priya's mother. Priya's mother. It's a mother's day. It's a mother's day. Yes, thank you. Yes, of course. Children, go back to your parents. We request the parents kindly to take care of your children. Please. Requesting the parents to kindly take care of your children. Rian's mom, Rio's mom, Rian, mothers, please pick a slip for the game. Mothers, fathers, you can wait. Only the mothers right now. Mothers, please pick up the slip. Thank you. Hannah's mother, please come and pick up a slip. Ishan's mother. Parents, mothers, Maglinian's mother, Ishan's mother, please take your slip. Parents, please take the slip. Mothers, please. Mothers, have you all taken your slips? Any mothers who are left out? Mothers, please raise your hands if you all have your slips. Yes? Okay, super. Okay, now mothers. A few more mothers to come. We will just begin once the mothers are settled down. Have you taken? Yeah, thank you. Mothers, are you done? Please be seated. We will call you according to your alphabet. Parents, we request you all to be seated. We will begin the games. Sir, thank you so much. Okay, parents, ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Come on, parents. Come on, parents. Super, super. Wonderful, wonderful. Audience, please do not admire. Applause for them. Cheer them up. Come on. Mothers, super. Very nice. Thank you. Can we have the balls back? And ma'am, you all can take your place back. Thank you. Okay. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Come on, mothers. Super, super mothers. Against mother. Okay. Okay, Rishika's auntie, super. Priya's mother, super. Maglini's mother. Wonderful. Well done, ladies. Thank you.
Every child's a winner.
Okay, fathers, please encourage the mothers. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, okay, they are walking fast. Come on, mothers, super. One mother is lost. Okay, that's okay. Good try, mothers. Very nice try, ma'am. Super, super, super. Wonderful, mothers. Okay, thank you. Mothers, 1, 2, 3, 4 till this. For you, it will start from here, ma'am. For you over here, for you over here, and for you over here. And the rest for you all. Okay, ma'am? Done? Ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Come on, mothers. Super, super.
We are the Edsing Einats, hear us shout, jumping, running, all about. Every child's a winner, join the fun. Every effort's a victory, everyone. Edgeham's, we're here to play. Rock the field, it's our big day. Hearts are happy, dreams take flight. We're the stars, the Edsing. With big bright smiles we lead the way, cheering loud on this great day. Hand in hand we'll shine so bright, together we're strong, it's every race. Edgeham's, we're here to play. Rock the field, it's our big day. Every child's a winner, shining bright. We're the stars, the Edzenites. Step by step.
Okay, parents. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Come on, mothers. Cheer them up. Cheer up. Father, children, cheer your fathers. Okay. Parents are real quick. Parents are real quick. Sir, பண்ணி எடுத்துட்டு வராதீங்க. அங்கேயே சாப்பிட்டுட்டு போட்டுறேன். Okay, done. அப்ப 3 parents ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்படுறாங்க. பட்டர் சாப்பிடாதவங்க எல்லாம் you are disqualified from the game. Sorry, we will not accept this. Parents, somebody never ate the bun. Okay, thank you. Sir, நீங்க சாப்பிட்டுட்டு போயிருக்கணும்ல. Super Maglinian's father. Okay, thank you, fathers. Okay, ready? Mothers, get ready. Ready? 2, 3, begin. Come on, parents, come on, zigzag. Yay! Super. Okay. Sir, thank you, sir. Thank you, fathers. Thank you so much. Okay, parents, we are calling out the names. Please come and collect your medals. Okay, I call upon Mirnalini's mother to please come up on the stage to collect your medals. Shika's auntie, Hariyugan's mother, Nihan's mother. And special prize goes to SG Maglini's mother because she did very perfectly. It was noted by our Commodore B. Balasundaram sir and it was recommended by him. SG Maglini's mother, you get a special prize. Parents, you don't have to bring your children, you can only come. Thank you. And from fathers, we request Advait's father, Ilan father and Rishika's father. I repeat, Advait father, Ilan father, Rishika's father. Fathers, please come up on stage to collect your mementos. Advait's father, Ilan father, Rishika father. Advait's father. Advait's father. Sir, if you're here, please come to collect your memento. Since Advait's father is gone out, his mother is taking it. Such a beautiful moment. Auntie, please collect the memento. Thank you. Beautiful moment. Okay, so parents requesting all of you to be seated. So thank you, sir. Be seated, sir. Thank you, sir.
It was not just wonderful, it was fantastic. It's a great evening. If actually asked me, I should love to give the trophies to all the parents. They are so sportive and with so much of enthusiasm they participated. My wishes to all the parents and the grandparents and all the guests also, okay? All the best, do well. Keep cheering up yourself, keep your kids cheered up and have a fantastic day and evening, okay? Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Indeed, it was a wonderful evening with great vitality from the children and I do trust all of you felt the same. On this beautiful occasion, we would like to extend our heartfelt thanks to our chief guest, Commodore B. Balasundaram sir, for his enthusiastic participation today and allocating his valuable time for us. Thank you so much, sir. Our sincere gratitude to our guest of honor, Mr. S. Samuel Devanesan sir, for being with us this evening. My genuine thanks to you, sir. And to our Edzine family members, without you, this sports day would not have happened. Thank you so much for your presence. Applause for you all. Teachers, come on, let us give them the applause. Yay! Thank you so much. Last but never the least, our Edzine staff, non-staff, volunteers and Sam Media. Without any hesitation, I would say, you all were the solid pillars and you are the solid pillars of support who have made this evening an evening. Thank you so much for your indulgence in the overall event. Finally, we cannot close the event if we fail to mention these people. Yes, this evening would not have been here if not for our correspondent Joe sir and director Tina ma'am. Big kudos for them, all of you. All of you, come on, with full josh, come on. If not for them, this day wouldn't have been there for us. Thank you, thank you, Joe sir and Tina ma'am, for all your endless efforts to commence this sports day and enforce it so successfully. And thank you so much for inculcating the importance of sports day and wishing more and more sports day in the future. Thank you so much. My hearty thanks to one and all once again. Thank you, everybody. Have a very nice evening. Thank you. We are winding up. Thank you.